Hello everyone, Happy New Year. As we welcome 2025, many of us have set new goals, whether it's improving our English, becoming better communicators, or achieving personal or professional milestones. Today I am here to share some simple yet effective strategies to help you stick to your goals and improve your English speaking skills. Remember, always stick to your goals. It doesn't matter what comes your way. You should always stay determined and focused on your goals. Having said that, I understand that life sometimes throws unavoidable challenges at us. You might face situations that demand your attention and make it hard to focus on your plans. But let me tell you, that's no reason to make constant excuses or complain about not having enough time. We all have family responsibilities and other tasks to complete. It's part of our life. We cannot avoid some situations. We have to face them. However, if you truly value your goals and want to learn English, you find a way to make time for it. Isn't it right? Ask yourself, do you really want to learn English? If the answer is yes, then don't make any excuses. Just execute your study plan. Always remind yourself why you started learning English. Think about how much better your life will be when you achieve fluency in English. Whatever challenges come your way, keep in mind that without learning English, you might feel limited in expressing yourself, growing your career, or connecting with others. Stay disciplined even if it's just doing a little every day. Small consistent efforts are the key to long-term success. Don't forget it. Stick to your goals no matter what. And trust me, you will be proud of yourself at the end of the year. So, with this note, let's start with some tips to stick to your goals in 2025. Number 1, writing down. Writing down your goals. This is a very effective strategy. Make sure you write your goals in a diary or notebook because it helps you revisit them whenever you feel demotivated. Sometimes we face those situations we need motivation. When you open your diary and see your goals for the year, you can introspect and ask yourself, am I really working towards them? This simple habit can help you stay focused. But when writing down your goals, make sure to be as specific as possible. For example, instead of writing, I want to improve my English this year, write down something like, I will practice speaking for 30 minutes daily, or I will listen to English for 30 minutes every day. You can also create a study plan and jot down specific tasks like I will learn 20 new words each week. Is it too much? It's up to you how many words you want to learn. And whenever you feel like you are losing focus, revisiting them can reignite your enthusiasm and motivation to keep working towards your goals. Number 2. Break your goals into smaller steps. To achieve your goals more effectively, try breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable ones. For example, if your big goal is to become fluent in English, which I know it is, ask yourself, what steps will take me there? You need to set smaller goals like improving your vocabulary, building your grammar knowledge, listening to English content, reading English books, and practicing speaking. These small steps will gradually lead you to your ultimate goal of fluency. For instance, if your aim is to become fluent, and then make sure your daily routine includes speaking practice, and at least for 30 minutes practice reading out loud. To choose books that match your level and interest. If you are a beginner, start with simple stories or children's books. These can help you understand basic sentence structures, learn new words, and boost your fluency. Reading out loud not only improves your pronunciation but also helps you gain confidence while speaking. Additionally, you can include shadowing practice. It is also a good technique. It is highly recommended and effective for improving your pronunciation and intonation. I have made a video where I demonstrated shadowing practice in detail. You can check it out to see how it works. Breaking your big goal into smaller, actionable steps makes the process less overwhelming and keeps you motivated to move forward. So don't make a big goal, make them in smaller, manageable steps. Number 3, make a daily plan. It is very essential because it helps you track your progress and see at the end of the day whether you were able to follow it or not. If you couldn't complete some tasks, don't worry. You can add them to the next day's plan and push yourself a little more to stay on track. Excuse me, I'm speaking a lot. For example, if you plan to practice reading, speaking, writing, and listening every day, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you make time for it. But sometimes you have some tasks to complete that prevents you to follow these tasks. So you can do one thing: instead of writing next day for 10 minutes, add 5 minutes extra to make it up. So it will help you to boost your energy, to save your time, and stay focused on your goal. If you don't have time to talk with anyone, try self-talk. The key is to create opportunity to speak English as much as possible, even if it's just with yourself. Focus on your daily plan and put your heart and soul into achieving it. At the end of the day, completing your task will give you a sense of achievement and satisfaction. You will know you are making progress step by step towards your big goal, becoming fluent in English. Track your progress. At end of each year, review your progress. It is so important to review your progress. Mark tasks as completed or not, like tick or cross. Reflect on what worked well and what didn't. This will help you stay accountable. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Everyone knows that is so important. If you break your consistency, you are not only disturbing your practice but also delaying the achievement of your goals. Regular practice builds momentum, and every small step you take daily brings you closer to your success. Make sure you practice consistently and don't break it, and try to read, listen, and speak every day. Consistency is what transforms your efforts into result and helps you reach your goals faster. Even if you can only dedicate 10-15 minutes, some days you do it, and if you forget, then try to manage it. As just already mentioned, if one day you forget to write, then again next day you can add on it. You can make just little bit longer to write it, so it will surely help you. And don't forget to motivate yourself. Motivation keep you alive. Some days you feel demotivated. That is okay. When you feel demotivated, watch inspiring videos and content that will help you to motivate. And ask yourself, why I am learning English? What was my purpose? for setting this goal. Reflect on how speaking English fluently will boost your confidence or how it transforms your life. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. Imagine the pride, the opportunities, and the positive changes it will bring into your life. This kind of reflection can reignite your motivation. Also, don't forget to encourage yourself daily. Praise your efforts no matter how small. Give yourself positive affirmations like I am improving or I will achieve my goal. This self-encouragement will keep you focused and motivated on your journey to success. Now, let's focus on how to improve your English and articulate your ideas well. Number 1, speak daily. As I already mentioned, don't forget to practice speaking English every day, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror. Mirror practice is a great technique. Don't underestimate it, especially if you don't have any partner to speak with. It helps you build confidence and observe your expressions as you speak. Another effective method is recording yourself. It is similar, but when you record yourself, you will be able to hear your voice. If you do voice recording, you can do video recording as well. It will help you to see your facial expressions, your tone of voice, your body gestures, and you can analyze if you are improving or not. If you don't have any friends, family member, any language partner, it will definitely help you. And if you don't have anyone, you can use help of others. I have made a video about how you can achieve your fluency by taking the help of apps. There are some apps where you can find speaking partner, and it will definitely help you to accelerate your English speaking skills. So practice speaking every day, whether it's mirror technique, self-talk, or finding partners on apps. Number 2, make sure you learn new words and phrases every day. Use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word articulate, practice saying, I want to articulate my ideas clearly. Number 3, shadowing. I already mentioned shadowing is a very good technique. You repeat when you watch the video, you mimic their tones and pronunciation. This will help you sound natural and confident. I have personally used this method, and believe me, it really works. Read out loud. I have already mentioned the benefit of reading out loud. Reading out loud improves your pronunciation and fluency. Choose material you enjoy, like articles, books, or even movie scripts. Yes, if you like it. Record yourself. I already mentioned recording yourself is not even convenient but also an effective strategy. Record yourself speaking and listening to it. This helps you identify area for improvement. As just already mentioned, like grammar, pronunciation, you can find out where you are lacking and start working on them. Yes, it is very effective, so use it. Number 6, focus on basic grammar. While vocabulary is important, understanding basic grammar rules will help you construct clear and accurate sentences. Linking words. Yes, linking words. So linking words like therefore, in addition to, and, but. It will help you to speak like an advanced speaker. It will really help you to make sure that you are speaking like a pro. And I would like to tell you, remember, 2025 is a fresh start. With the right mindset, consistency, and strategies, you can achieve your goals and become a confident English speaker. Stick to your plans, stay focused, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your journey. This year you may achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, Let me know in the comments and share your goals for 2025. Let's achieve them together. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Happy learning.